Alright. Gonna ride the SkyTrain. It comes to this door. There's two in front of it, and then the trains are 2 cars long, and there's another 2 doors behind this. It's set up to use 4 cars. Says 30 seconds.
Train is arriving. Please stand clear of the doors.
Yeah, I'll go to the side.
Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on, this train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway Center Hotels. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on, this train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway Center Hotels. We are approaching ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway Center Hotel. Please hold on as this train is stopping. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Thank you for choosing Personal Taxi Atlanta International Airport. This stop services ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway Center Hotel. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Rental car customers remain on board to the rental car center.
Usually no one gets off here. Only pilots. No. No, that's nowhere near the one we were at.
Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Greenville, we did. No, Greenville, we did. We come out there.
gonna swap
Welcome
sides
aboard
at
the
the
ATL
rental car
SkyTrain.
station.
Please
So
hold
we're
on.
gonna be in
This
the
train
back.
is departing. Next stop is the rental car center.
So we'll probably have to wait for
Welcome
another
aboard the
train
ATL
because everybody's
SkyTrain.
gonna hop
Please hold
on.
on.
Sure.
This train is departing. Next stop is the rental car center.
So this is where we get off then?
Yes, the next stop. It's the last stop. There's only two. Down way before the station.
We are approaching the rental car center.
It's probably 'cause it's
Please
gonna
hold on.
turn.
This train is stopping. Please have all your belongings.
Yeah, it definitely
and watch
has to
your step as
turn.
you
We're gonna
exit.
crash
Thank
into
you
the
for choosing
staircase.
Huntsville-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. We are approaching the rental car center.
Probably turning
Please hold
left.
on. This train is stopping. Please have all your belongings and watch your
You
step
can't
as
really
you
tell
exit.
with these,
Thank
though,
you
'cause
for
the
choosing
tracks don't really
Huntsville-Jackson
show you.
Atlanta International Airport.
Yeah. And there's its maintenance station.
I don't remember any of this.
This is the rental car center. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Thank you, and please drive safely. This is the rental car center. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Thank you, and please drive safely.
So we gotta reboard going the other way, but it'll come to the same platform. It looks like that one's gonna be... Actually, there's plenty of space on the front.
Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Except the view of the doors is blocked.
Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway Center Hotels. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway Center Hotels.
It's funny, the road that goes next to this is called SkyTrain Way.
Is it?
Yeah,
It goes pretty fast, these here.
45.
Really?
Yeah, 45 miles per hour. That's the speed that these things can travel at their max. For the most part, the average speed is 37.
Yeah, 45 is pretty fast.
We
Yeah.
are approaching ATL
So
West
that's-
Parking,
road's pretty rough.
GICC, and
Yeah.
Gateway Center Hotels.
Well, it's because of the
Please
turn.
hold on.
The wheels
This
don't
train is
turn.
stopping. Please have all your belongings
So it
and watch
bumps
your step
around
as you
on
exit.
turns because the wheels
Thank you
don't
for
turn.
choosing Huntsville-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. This stop services ATL West Parking, GICC, and Gateway Center Hotels. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Airport and MARTA passengers remain on board for the airport station. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Yeah. It's probably somebody delayed one up ahead. That'll delay the whole system. Yeah, there we go.
Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is Airport Station. Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is Airport Station.
ATL, there's a backup on the main systems for if this train goes down, you can walk.
So,
in fact, you can walk to the F concourse too.
okay.
Yeah, I don't know where the walkway is, but you can.
Never been to F, I know.
It's a nice one. It was built in 2012. I think this was built around the same time. Not sure though. Yeah, they were supposed to build. So there's the Renaissance we were at. See that staircase looking hotel?
That's it.
Yeah, and you can see your hotel actually too. To the left a bit more.
Yeah. And you open it?
Yep. Those were the main airport hotels back when the terminal used to be over there somewhere.
We are approaching Airport Station. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Thank you for choosing Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. We are approaching Airport Station. Please hold on. This train is stopping. Thank you for choosing Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Well, if we don't take it, we hit the building. It's kind of an odd layout actually that they don't just pull straight in. Or at least that the tracks don't, I should say. I mean, I get why they turn.
Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey. This is Airport Station. Please have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey.
There's birds on the track.
Yeah, they know where the train's
They know where it goes. That's funny. This thing has a cool little door close chime on it.
Is it?
Yeah. Should be pretty quick. Come on. Yeah, I don't know what's taking it.
Doors closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Doors closing. Please stand
Doors
clear.
closing. Please stand clear of the doors.